Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to have is wallet on your Binance. So go to wallet, fiat and spot, and here you can select the coin that you want to withdraw from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So in this case, we're going to withdrawing USDC. So we can go here, USDC coin right here. We can click on withdraw, right? And as you can see, when withdrawing USDC, the system will deduct BUSD from your account on one-on-one basis. Now this is new thing on Binance, so just bear with me here. And yeah, once you go here, you can also do this with Solana, by the way, so it's not mandatory for USDC. But yeah, I'm just showing you how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom. So on Phantom, make sure to go to deposit and type in USDC, click on the coin, copy the Phantom wallet address, and then paste it right here. And as you can see, it will immediately say that it's on Solana network. Here we can type in, let's say we want 100 USDC. We can click withdraw, and then that money or that crypto will be sent from Binance to our Phantom wallet. Basically, that's the whole process. It's really simple. This is how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.